So how often should someone be looking at their bank account? How often should they be looking at their expenses, maybe tweaking and making sure that it's making sense for them and stuff like that?
Oh, and it depends. The answer is it depends, as
Right.
a lot of my answers start with. It always depends. Like I said,
that's why they should call you for that 60-minute consultation.
Exactly. Yeah. I have some clients who really only need to look at this stuff on a quarterly basis because they're still really, really small, and that works. And then we actually let them know when they're ready to move on to the next level. Like, nope, we need to start looking at this monthly, and there are some people who we say, hey, you're really only a quarterly client. Let's not make you spend more money than you have to. And they're like, no, I need to see it monthly. So there's kind of a combination going on there. I would say for the most part, I think any business owner should be giving at least an hour of their time, either monthly or quarterly, to make sure they know where things are, especially if they are managing it themselves. I always tell some of my startups who've decided not to hire us that, hey, that's okay. You don't have a ton going on, but let's spend 30 minutes a week in your QuickBooks and making sure your bank accounts are reconciled. That'll keep you out of trouble and at least give you an idea of where your numbers stand in the long run. So we want our clients, we have a process in place that requires our clients to be involved. But we also know that the more they're doing this is a non-income producing activity for them. So we try to set it up where we really only need 15 to 30 minutes of their time per month or per quarter. But it is very important for them to be involved.
And yes or no, a 6-month run rate for a business is the going number at this point? Or what would you kind of recommend for someone to have kind of what do they call it? A rainy day fund type of thing of money in account? Which obviously did not become a yes or no question at that point, as I elaborated on.
Right. Yeah. So the answer is yes, they should have a rainy day fund. And we generally recommend at least 6 months be saved up. And for those of my clients who actually did this during COVID, that was one of the key things that really helped in everything while they were waiting for relief funds to come in. Because if you guys all remember, it took a while for the EIDL and PPP to get going. And in the meantime, they had a way forward while they waited. So yeah, we like 6 months.